Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope, children, you all are fine at your home. So, welcome back to your English class, children. Today we will do our English topic, adverbs. Okay, and this is your English class. Today we will do our English topic, adverbs. अब आपको verbs तो चिल्ड्रन क्लियर हो गए, अच्छे से समझ में आ गए. Now we will do adverbs. What are adverbs? क्या होते हैं? तो चिल्ड्रन adverbs वर्ब कर लिया आपने, जो हमारे वर्ब को डिफाइन करे कि हमारा वर्ब कैसा है, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? एडवर्ब्स. व्हाट वी से? एडवर्ब्स. देखो मैं समझाती हूँ चिल्ड्रन. नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, जो हमारे वर्ब्स को डिफाइन करे. अब आपको पता है एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव हमने किए थे, क्या होते हैं? एडजेक्टिव होते हैं जो हमारे नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि हमारा नाउन कैसा है ना, उन्हें हम एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. आपने करे थे एडजेक्टिव ऑफ प्लेस, मैनर, राइट. नाउ वी विल डू एडवर्ब्स. ये हमारे वर्ब को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं कि हमारा वर्ब, अब वर्ब होता है एक्शन, राइट. ऑल डूइंग वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड वर्ब. कि कोई से काम हो रहा है, अब वो काम कब हो रहा है, कहाँ हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, जो वर्ड्स हमें ये बताए, दोज आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब्स. काम कब हो रहा है, जो हमें, तो दैट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. कहाँ हो रहा है काम? एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. कैसा हो रहा है काम? एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. अब मैं समझाती हूँ कैसे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही रन्स फास्ट. ही रन्स फास्ट. अब रन क्या हो गया? वर्ब हो गया, काम करना हो गया. और कैसा भागता है? फास्ट. तो फास्ट हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? एडवर्ब. क्या हो जाएगा? एडवर्ब. ही राइट्स वेरी स्लो और ही राइट्स स्लोली. नो, लिखना, राइट, इट इज वर्ब. स्लोली जो हो गया वो हमारा क्या हो गया? एडवर्ब. क्या हो गया चिल्ड्रन? एडवर्ब. ओके चिल्ड्रन. और स्लोली जो हो गया हमारा एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, क्योंकि हमें बता रहा है कि हमारा काम कैसा हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे केम हेयर येस्टरडे. दे केम हेयर येस्टरडे. अब वो इधर आए कब? येस्टरडे. टाइम लिख सकते हो आप इसको. एंड दे केम हेयर. किधर आए थे? हेयर. तो हेयर क्या हो गया? एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी विल गो टू द पार्क टुमारो. वी विल गो टू द पार्क टुमारो. अब हम गो क्या हो गया? जाना. ठीक है, कब जाएंगे? टुमारो. तो टुमारो क्या है हमारा? टाइम. तो इट इज कॉल्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. एग्जैक्ट टाइम नहीं दिया होता कि हमें 5 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. नो चिल्ड्रन, टाइम नहीं. इसमें टुडे, टुमारो, नाउ, देन, लेटर, ओके, नेवर. तो ये सब हमारे क्या है? एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. हेयर, देयर, एवरीवेयर, नोवेयर, सो समवेयर. दिस इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. Now slowly, fastly, hurtly, and you can say lately, neatly. These are adverbs of manner. Now, then, and there, inside, outside. तो ये हमें जगह बता रहे हैं. एग्जैक्ट जगह वैसे नहीं होती कि एट होम, एट ऑफिस, ऑन रोड और ऑन द रूफ, टेरेस. ऐसे चिल्ड्रन जगह नहीं होती. एग्जैक्ट जगह मेंशन नहीं होती. हेयर, देयर, आउटसाइड, इनसाइड. ओके. So in these words are called adverbs of place. So 3 types of adverbs होते हैं, adverbs of manner, adverbs of time and adverbs of place. Okay children, so 3 types of adverbs. Now when we will do exercise, then you will easily come to know. And one thing more children, कि इसमें adverb of in और most of the adverbs आपके लास्ट में, adverb के लास्ट में ly will come. Okay, in most, not always. For example, here there in adverb of place it is not there. In adverb of time also it is not there. But in adverb of manner, most of the time it is there with the adverb of manner and with ly. Okay. Now when we will do exercise, then it will be more clear to you. So now come, let's do our exercise given on page number 100. Now your first exercise learn is there. In this encircle the adverbs and state their type. You have to circle the adverbs and state their types. For example, play. Play is verb. It is not adverb. Excitedly. First it ends with ly. Second, it excitedly. It is adverb. Adverb of manner. So you can write am. Just write am. Now smell. It is verb. Smells good. Good will be adverb, but it is not written. So it is only verb. Now now. Now is adverb and it is of time. So circle it and write T. Gently. Gently, adverb of manner. Circle it and write M. Near. Near is adverb of place. Okay. Loudly, adverb of manner. Brightly, again adverb of manner. Fast, again adverb of manner. Never, adverb of time. Later, adverb of time. Sleep, it is not a adverb. Now come to practice exercise. Fill in the blanks. We will write practice exercise given on page 100. Page 100, it is A exercise. First is the students clap cheerfully. Second is the dogs bark loudly. Third is we played indoors. These all are children adverbs of manner. But in this adverb of time and place is also given children. Now see fourth, the soldiers fought bravely. Fifth is we should never. Now it is adverb of time. Sixth is Parul and Rahul live there. Seventh is the crow drank the water thirstily. Now the eighth, the sun is setting now. Ninth, the thief ran away. 10th, I watched a film yesterday. Now 11th, God is everywhere. Now 12. I don't want to be late. And this exercise is complete. Now children, see the next, it is written paragraph. In this paragraph adverbs are there and all three types of adverbs are there, and nouns we have given adverb of place, manner and time. Now first we have to underline the adverbs in the paragraph. Okay, see now in paragraph adverbs are there. And warmly, happily, and extremely, and hungrily, and then you have greatly, early and promptly. Early and promptly. So these are all adverbs. Okay, now come to page 102. Page 102. Some words are given in learn exercise. So you have to write, children, adverbs. You have to make adverbs from these words. You have to just add ly and they will become adverbs, children. Okay. Now see how we will do it. I will write all the words first. Safe, second is rough, third clever, fourth is fierce, now fifth is happy, sixth is hungry, seventh is soft, eighth is quiet, Tenth is foolish. And then 10th is merry.
तो क्या करेगी लेगा
Now see children, how you will make adverbs? You have to add just ly. Safely, like this. Roughly, fiercely, cleverly, happily. In happily, add I and ly. Cut like this. Okay, children. Because Y is there. Now hungrily. Hungry. Like quietly. Merrily. Now here also you have to add I and L Y. Cut it here. Softly and foolishly. Like this. Now see children, this is, now you have made adverbs. Okay. Now see. Now see children, we will do our B exercise, practice exercise B. Now see, practice exercise B. Page 103. 103. Now see B exercise. You have to join these two sentences. Two sentences are there and underline the adverb. So children, instead of doing it in notebook, we will do it in book. See how you will do it in book. I will tell you. Now see children, I will tell you how to do in book itself. You don't have to do in notebook. See, first listen for you in second. The bird flew. The bird flew. They flew away. They flew away. Now in third, I waited for him. I waited for him. I waited patiently. I waited patiently. Now see fourth. The breeze blew. It blew gently. It blew gently. Fifth is the honeybee buzzed. The honeybee buzzed. It buzzed loudly. loudly. Now see sixth one. I work hard. I always do so. I always do so. So now children, I will tell you how you will do this exercise in book itself. You don't need to do it in notebook. I will tell you how to do in book. See, now first you have to underline the adverb. Patiently, gently, loudly. In this sentence, whole sentence will be changed. So now see, this you have to cut. The bird flew away. A single sentence will be made. Cut this and full stop this. Now see, this is just for cutting. This is not comma. And cut this and this. In this sentence, whole sentence will be changed. So write beside it. इसके साथ लिख देना I always work hard. I always work hard. Rest of the sentences करवा के children. Now see exercise. In C exercise also they have written to write in sentences, but don't write sentences. Just make adverbs of these. Now see what you will do is write these words. First is magic. Second is painful. Third is annoy. Now see fourth is brave. Fifth is quiet. Sixth is nervous. Seventh is big. And eighth is selfish. See, what you have to do is just add ly magically. Painfully, bravely, इधर annoyingly आएगा children, annoyingly, like this. Quietly, wickedly, and selfishly, and nervously. Okay children, like this you have to do, and you have not to make sentences. Okay, like this our chapter 17 is also complete. Okay children, any difficulty we will discuss it in live class. So for today, thank you everyone. Bye everyone, take care.